Top story that we are following here on India Today. Now, after the United States of America has slapped a $1 lakh fee on H-1B visa holders, Rahul Gandhi has hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Rahul Gandhi has reiterated Prime Minister Modi is a weak Prime Minister. Congress has now mounted an attack on Prime Minister Modi. Congress says Rahul had alerted Prime Minister about H-1B visas way back in 2017. Congress says Donald Trump is insulting India, but Prime Minister Modi is silent. The entire country is questioning Prime Minister Narendra Modi. That's the statement coming in from the Congress party.
पाँच जुलाई को राहुल गांधी जी ने ट्वीट करके प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को चेताया था कि ये हो रहा है, कुछ करिए, असर्ट करिए। लेकिन कमजोर प्रधानमंत्री तब भी थे, कमजोर प्रधानमंत्री आज भी हैं। आज आपको नतीजा मिल गया। तो पहली बार तो हुआ नहीं कि राहुल गांधी ने पहले ही बता दिया था, फिर हो गया। इस देश के लाखों, इनफैक्ट करोड़ों यूथ का नुकसान हो रहा है। ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ। टैरिफ का झटका दिया गया हमें, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में सीज फायर का झटका दिया गया हमें, रोज ट्रंप हमारी बेइज्जती कर रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री एकदम चुप बैठे हैं। और राहुल जी ने तो मौका दिया था संसद में कि बोलिए ट्रंप झूठा है। बोल देते, पूरा देश आज प्रधानमंत्री के साथ खड़ा होता। आज पूरा देश प्रधानमंत्री से सवाल पूछ रहा है।
What we are now seeing is a big tug of war that is taking place not just between the United States of America and India, but even domestically. There is politics which is now playing out. It's the Congress party which is now saying that the entire country has now started to question Prime Minister Narendra Modi. My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is now joining me on the story. Shreya, we are seeing it's the Congress party which is now pointing fingers at Prime Minister Narendra Modi and saying that it is Prime Minister Modi who's a weak Prime Minister. In fact, we just heard Pawan Khera saying that it was Rahul Gandhi who had warned the Prime Minister way back in 2017 that H-1B visas is something that the US economy will be very clearly looking at.
Absolutely, Aishwarya. Raking up on the same issue of the H-1B visa in 2017. Also, Rahul Gandhi had suggested that India had a weak PM because at that point of time, the H-1B visa talks did not figure between the both country heads. Now, once again, as the 90 lakh tag amount has been fixed with the H-1B visa after that announcement made by Trump, we once again see Rahul Gandhi quote tweet that 2017 tweet and say that I want to repeat that India has a weak PM. So somewhere down the line, we will definitely see a furor over this so far as the tug of war between opposition and the ruling party is concerned. But clearly, no stones being left unturned to attack the ruling government based on the current decision that is coming from the US around the H-1B visas.
Thank you, Shreya, giving us all those details. We are now seeing how domestically also politics is playing out. It is the US administration which has now levied an additional $1 lakh fees on H-1B visa.